In this demo, I'm going to walk you through the VFairs virtual conference platform and look at some past events we've hosted to give you an idea of what all is possible and what you can expect from the solution. An online space which we call the virtual lobby. The lobby is designed with a 3D outlook and gives an immersive feel to the visitor as if he or she is actually entering a conference. We have over 20 different lobby designs you can choose from. Here are a few samples that our customers have used in the past. You'll notice that some of these are animated lobbies where you can see characters moving about, while others are static 3D images. Aspects of the lobby. For example, you can change the dress code of the characters from formal, i.e. wearing suits, to casual, say wearing polos and jeans. We can also include diverse character sets from different skin tones, backgrounds, and cultures, and in that way promote inclusivity. Now, as audiences enter the virtual conference, you can also greet them with a welcome note or video. Here's one example of an event where we use an overlay video upon entry where a company rep is welcoming visitors, sharing some guidance and instructions, and generally building some excitement for attendees. And here's another example where the organizers chose to pop up a welcome video. In this example, the representative is creating some buzz and telling them about what to expect. Let's move on. After a user reaches the lobby, they have 4 main areas they can navigate to: the virtual auditorium, the exhibit hall, the networking lounge, the information booth. Let's go through them one by one. Let's start with the virtual auditorium. This is where your conference agenda is hosted, and it lists all the speakers that are scheduled to present at your event. In any agenda, you will have the speaker name, their photo, a bio, and some information summarizing what the topic of their talk will be. Along with this, you can have handouts and other documents that you would like attendees to download before or after the conference. Some organizers host conferences with multiple tracks or themes running in parallel, and that's something we can also support very easily. Attendees can also use the search bar to find a topic or session of interest from the agenda. Let's quickly look at another example of an auditorium. Here's one with a nice 3D image, and here's their agenda. All right, let's talk about the actual sessions or webinars that will be delivered. Before a session goes live, attendees will be able to see the countdown timer, and when it's time, they can join the webinar instantly. Speakers will be able to broadcast through a webcam or share their screen or walk through a presentation. We give customers 3 options to host sessions. Number 1, live sessions. Number 2, semi-live sessions. Number 3, on demand. In the case of live sessions, audiences can see the speakers live as they present and ask questions through the text chat. Speakers can then respond to those questions in real time through text chat or video. We use Zoom to power such webinars. The second option is called semi-live. In this case, a pre-recorded video is played for the audience such that it feels it's live. What that means is that if they join 5 minutes later, they would have missed that portion. Now, although the video is recorded, the Q&A on the text chat is live. Speakers and organizers can answer questions on the chat window while the recorded video is being played. The third option is on demand, where users can go to the auditorium and watch pre-recorded videos at any time of their liking. We also have done hybrid conferences where an actual conference was happening physically in an exhibition center and we were broadcasting it live on our virtual platform. Every organizer wants to ensure that there is high engagement, interact, and engage with them. We offer over 10 different designs for how the exhibit hall can look like. Here are some examples from past events. Now, when an attendee clicks on one of these booths, they can learn more about the particular exhibitor or sponsor. Users can take a look at their company profile, their documents, their videos, etc. Moreover, visitors can also save an item to something we call the virtual briefcase. At the end of the day, all these saved documents are emailed to the user so that they can view them later on as well. Next, as a live conference is happening, Users will be able to see who else is online on a particular booth. Attendees can then click on chat to bring up the chat interface. Here, they can start a one-to-one chat with the exhibitor or go to the group chat room. The lounge option launches the same chat room interface, but here, attendees can chat with each other instead of just exhibitors. Use the info desk to ask those questions. Moreover, there's also a technical help desk where your attendees and we offer users to get in touch through live chat, through a direct phone. This support is available to you as an organizer and also your event's attendees, exhibitors, sponsors, or speakers. That sums up the core components of the virtual conference platform. I'll quickly move on to a couple of more things that may or may not be relevant for your event, but are still worth mentioning.